Welcome to Psychiatric Guru channel, your go-to resource for all things related to psychiatric technology. You've worked hard for your license. Now, your job is not only to provide the best care possible, but also to safeguard it. Let's go over what you have to do to safeguard your license while providing the best care possible. Firstly, as a psych tech, your main priority is the well-being of the patients under your care. This means paying close attention to their needs, behaviors, and any changes in their condition. Building rapport with patients and showing empathy towards their struggles can greatly enhance the quality of care you provide. On top of this, collaboration can really make a great difference. By working closely with doctors, nurses, therapists, and other team members, you can ensure that patients receive comprehensive and coordinated treatment. Effective communication and teamwork facilitate the sharing of important information and promote better outcomes for patients. Additionally, understanding the medications used most commonly in psychiatric treatment is crucial for a psych tech. This includes knowing their side effects, precautions, dosage guidelines, and following the 5 rights of safe medication administration. If you recall, the 5 rights of medication use include the right patient, the right drug, the right time, the right dose, and the right route, all of which are generally regarded as a standard for safe medication practices. Moreover, observation plays a key role in monitoring patients' progress and detecting any signs of deterioration or adverse reactions to treatment. Regularly assessing patients for changes in behavior, mood, and physical symptoms enables you to intervene promptly and alert the medical team if necessary. Patient education is an important aspect of psychiatric care. Taking the time to explain medications, treatment plans, and coping strategies empowers patients to actively participate in their recovery journey. Providing information about potential side effects, as well as strategies for managing them, promotes medication adherence and reduces anxiety or uncertainty. Also, cultural competence is essential for providing culturally sensitive care to a diverse patient population. Being respectful of patients' cultural beliefs, values, and practices fosters trust and enhances communication. Take the time to learn about different cultural norms and traditions to ensure that your interactions with patients are respectful and inclusive. Finally, the field of mental health care is constantly evolving, with new research findings and treatment approaches emerging regularly. Continuously updating your knowledge and skills through ongoing education and professional development opportunities allows you to stay current with best practices and deliver the highest quality of care to your patients. By investing in your own learning and growth, you can enhance your effectiveness as a psychiatric technician and contribute to positive outcomes for patients. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe for more content that can help you evolve.